Here at Bissell, we invented sweepers, so we get it. Our commercial line proves that nobody knows sweepers better than Bissell. Need a lighter tool that easily picks up big stuff, small stuff, even wet stuff? With tough metal construction, these commercial-grade sweepers can take it all. Their quiet, no-motor system is kind to the planet and to your ears. Double-threaded handles are built to last. Just a few twists and they're secure. Sweepers roll with the floor you've got. Soft rubber wheels are great for low-pile carpet or bare floor. And forget bending down to grab your dirt. Sweepers grab and empty your dust. Whether you need one twisted brush, dual tufted twisted brushes, or 2 rows of rubber brushes, the choice is a clean sweep. A Bissell BigGreen commercial sweeper.